And now we're going to look at the sternum with the ribs and a single rib itself. So this is the sternum. All right, there's 3 parts to the sternum that you need to know, right? The manubrium is this upper part. The body of the sternum is the main portion there that all the costal cartilages, most of them except for the very first one, attaches to. And then the xiphoid process, the little tip down here. All of these pieces here on either side that are attaching to the sternum proper itself are the costal cartilages. So the ribs come in, they attach to the costal cartilage, such as this one would do, say like this. Sorry, I'm trying to get it to line up properly. It's not a perfect match, but you can get the idea. So the ribs would come in and attach to the costal cartilage, and then the costal cartilage attaches to the sternum. All right, so there's that one. And then taking a look at an actual rib, lining it up just like you would. You just need to know this is a rib. So there you can see the rib. This is the piece that attaches to the costal cartilage. And then this is the piece at the back that articulates with the vertebral column. So what you also need to be able to identify on pictures that Dr. Debbie and Dr. Z will have is which are true ribs and which are false ribs. And you take a look by looking at the costal cartilage. Remember, there's 7 true ribs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Each one of those 7 ribs, right, has their very own attachment to the sternum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now this isn't a proper model because there should be an 8, 9, and a 10 down here, but we only have 8 and 9. You'll see it on the hanging skeletons. 8, 9, and 10 are what we call false ribs because they don't directly attach to the sternum themselves. Their cartilage attaches to the costal cartilage of the 7th rib, so we call those false ribs. And then ribs 11 and 12 are called the floating ribs because, remember, they just float in the back. So if we take a look at your picture here, there you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8, 9, and 10, and you can see the costal cartilages for there attached to the 7th costal cartilage. And then in the very back here, rib 11 and rib 12, if we had the full-size skeleton, and at school you would be able to see this, they just float there. That's why they're called floating ribs.